All right, let's get the screws out of this thing. And try not to drop the lock washers on the board. Just turn that off. And get it in the slot. All right, so let's see here. All right, where did the holes go? There we go. Let's see. Let's move you out of the way, Mr. Ground. There it is. I would have liked to have had a shielded speaker, but I don't really think it matters for this device. Right. Fun. All right. Oh, get on there. Oh, there we go. Since this one's ground, should probably give it a little extra tight. Let's make a nice contact. There we go. And the rest of these have lock washers on them. They should be fine. Yep, that one's good. That one's good. And that one's good. Good, good. Let's see. Let's connect the speaker wires. Bring you around. You're not cooperating. There we go. Squeeze you down a little bit. Powerful magnet. There we go. These are enough to work with there. Come on, get in there. Pull through. Wrap around. See, everybody's out of the way. All right, looks good. That one looks good. Kind of cool, you can see through it into the instrument. All right, Mr. Oscilloscope, let's get you out of the way. Get our signal back. Repower. Much louder than it was before. All right, I guess it's time to button this guy up. Probably will take some of these knobs off, and do I really? I don't want to take the jacks off. I'll probably just brush those down with a toothbrush, but I'll probably take these off and throw them in the ultrasonic bath, or I might just brush them down manually. I don't know. Yep, check wearabore.com/projects for the final part of this rebuild series. Thank you.